Hello everyone, my name is Haley Changchu from Class 6E. Today, I'm going to talk about Amazon Rainforest jaguars. Now, what is an Amazon Rainforest jaguar? It is the main predator in the Amazon. It is also the largest big cat species in the Americas. Jaguars are the third largest feline in the world after tigers and lions. It can grow up to 170 cm long. What do jaguars look like? Their fur is tan or orange with black spots. For some jaguars, their whole fur is black. The eyes of a jaguar is golden to reddish or yellow. The eyes of cubs are blue. Males can weigh up to 209 pounds. Females can weigh up to 171 pounds. Where do jaguars live? Around 50% of jaguars are found in Brazil alone. The rest of the jaguars' populations live in the remaining 17 countries. Jaguars' habitat are rainforests, flooded forests, grasslands, woodlands, and dry forests throughout their range. What do jaguars eat? Jaguars are carnivores. Carnivores are creatures that only eat meat. And the food they eat the most is capybara, armadillos, deers, and they even eat avocados. Fun fact, they can even eat poisonous snakes or crocodiles. Here is a link down here. You can type it and learn more about jaguars' diet. What are jaguars good at? What do they do? Well, they're good swimmers. They have very good night vision. And their large jaw muscles and sharp teeth can bite through a crocodile's skull or a turtle's shell. The speed of a jaguar is 80 km. And down here, there's two links. You can learn more about what jaguars are good at. Here's some interesting facts that you want to learn about. Like, are jaguars colorblind? Well, they're not colorblind, but they can see less details and colors in the daylight. But they do have sharp vision at night. Some people will wonder, what sound is the jaguar's roar? It sounds like a saw on wood. And are baby jaguars blind? Well, yes, and they will not leave their den for several weeks. Kangaroos can jump 20 feet high. A jaguar can leap 10 feet high off the ground. Now, what threats do they face every day? The main threats is, with only around 173,000 jaguars left in the wild because they're considered near threatened. And the second reason is jaguars' habitat is lost. The third reason, the decline of prey populations. Example, deers, capybaras, armadillos, and spider monkeys. The fourth reason is trees getting chopped down because of humans. Some people will ask, why do we need to help them? It's none of our business. Yeah, I know. But jaguars, they are the top of the food chain in their environment, so they play an important role by keeping a balance in the food chain where they live and controlling the populations of other species and promoting healthy ecosystems. And someone would ask, what if jaguars are extinct? What will happen? If jaguars really do disappear, then everything below it in the food chain is affected, with an overpopulation of rodents, the jaguar's prey, that would eat more bugs and seeds. Okay, if you think my explanation is not very clear, then please press this link down here. Thank you everyone who is listening. I hope you all learned something today.